This Leonardo AI, let me give you a brief what it is. So it is text to image generation website where you could see all the generated images, as well as you could like have your personal training data, and you can fine tune any model if you want. You have multiple models. You can select one from the community and you could work on it, or you could have already had search previously. So it provides all those things. Just going to look at AI Canvas. So this is the tool where you are able to edit the image as per your requirement. So here you could see, you could select whatever the model you want, like Stable Diffusion 2.1 or 1.5, number of images you want. Maximum, I think they have set to 4. You could select 1 to 4, and then you can select the image dimension. So like bigger dimension image would require more number of tokens, and the smaller ones less. So as per that you could select, and then you have all the details like um, seed number and tiling and all those things. And you could write your prompt here, and you could write your negative prompt here. You have all the tools like to draw the mask, you have this tool, we have eraser, we could even upload the images and all those things. So let's do one quick thing with this, one quick demonstration with this.
So we are going to import an image, and then we are going to do some changes with the prompt we have. Okay, so this is the image of the man standing with his shirt untucked and just simply standing near the window. So what we are going to do is we are first going to set this paint tool, and then we are going to cover the area that we want to have the changes. So we can increase the length or size of this tool as well, and then we are going to just remove that portion, and we are going to write the prompt for required prompt for it. So here we are going to write a prompt to have a leather belt, instead of just having like untucked shirt, it will be having the leather belt. So after that we had just clicked on generated, and then it will take some time and it will start generating the images from the prompt. So here now we can see that it has generated 4 of the images. So you could go to the next one if you don't like the initial one, and I think this fourth one looks okay, so we'll click on accept. So it will put the image on top of that particular image that we have generated. So let's go on to the left side. So what happens when we don't have any thing, like we are not going to edit anything on this? So if we write any prompt, it will going to generate the image in the empty area. Okay, so so here you can see we have added piano. So you can see it has generated 4 images. So each image has, like, you could set the width, height, and the prompt, all the things on the right side you could see. So here we are accepting with the fourth image we have, and now let's see if we could add some other details on top of this uh, image. Like we are going to have, let's say, a ceiling with the air conditioner. So let's place it over here, and now we can write the prompt. So once that's done, it is going to generate the images. So it took some time and you can see the results. So let's go to the next image. It looks good. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, so let's go with the second image here. So you could try as many times as you want to like generate the images and see the results. So you could move to the empty portion and then again click on create, and it will generate with the help of the prompt the image. So here you could let's say we have this empty space we want to cover, so we just need to write what else we need here. So we could select, let's say, wall. We need a wall here to complete the image. So it will generate the 4 images required. Here you could see on the right side we have like number of images that you want, so you could select from 1 2 3 4, or and you can see the results. So here you can see that we have these images for the wall. So I think the third one looks good, so you could try it, like try generating with more prompts, better prompts, and like having like generate as much as you want to check all the details. So here let's say we need to cover up this last piece to have the whole image, so we'll just do that. And here also you will be able to see that like you could generate the whole image, like most of the scenery in this image was not even there. There was just a man standing, so you could see that we have added external things as well with this tool. So that's all.
I hear you talk about all the future humanity that's gonna change the world. Which we can't even end, and he's already been used in a lot of ways. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. And it's only gonna get more powerful in the years to come.